I have my dumplings. So I'm gonna get my first ever dumplings. Okay, now I'm gonna open my first dumpling. Okay, three, two, one. Which one is it? Oh my gosh! I love it! Oh my gosh. Open the second one. I'm just so excited. Another one? You got the lilas. Yeah. It looks so cool. And now here's another one. Okay, there's gonna be one more after this. I hope I get the glitter one again. What is this? Another glitter dumpling? Oh my. I love you. Another glitter dumpling. Okay, no, here's another one. There's literally no more in the box. I bought these from Amazon. I hope I get another glitter one. Right. Okay, now we are going to open it. So just to be nice, I'm going to give this to my brother. Take it. You have it. It's yours. Yeah, happy birthday. Look at his face. Yeah. This one. This is sticky. Those were my dumplings, and of course, this one's my brother's. Woo! Dumpling party, dumpling party. Bro, this is